Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, we're back to the Mobylette again, and I have done a little bit this morning, which I'll just show you in a minute. The reason being was I've had some rough days at work, finishing at 2 in the morning, and I had to take Jenny to the groomers today. We came back about 1:30, and so I've done this little bit this morning, which I'll show you. And I thought, well, the plan was get back and lay down, have a little bit of a sleep. Well, 5 minutes after getting to sleep, my son rings up, and it's always for money. Every time I get a phone call, it's a problem, and the only phone calls I actually don't mind are suspected spam calls, because I don't have to worry about them. So I feel very stressed. Just doze off 5 minutes, and now wide awake now. So I'm going to carry on again today now. There's no point trying to sleep. I'll just go to bed early tonight. So I'll show you what I've done with the handlebars. I've sanded them down. You'll see me just showing you around the handlebars, and I might as well get some powder coat on today and move on, and then tomorrow hopefully I'll have a little bit of chance to get the handlebars on, and the handlebar levers and whatever. So just in a minute you'll just see what I've done this morning. That was all I was going to do, but now because people are ruining my day again, I'll get on and we'll get some powder coating done. Well, as I mentioned, this is obviously the handlebars, and they really are too far gone to do any polishing. So what I'm going to do, probably go over with the electric file gently and get this all smooth, and then tomorrow, once I'm more with it, I will be we're going to try and powder coat it. So that's the handlebars. It just does about fit in the oven, so which is quite good. I'll remove the all this stuff. I need to look at this, clean this up, and maybe be able to powder coat the levers. We'll see. So today I'm not up to much, so I'm just going to try and get this sanded down, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll try and powder coat it, and we'll try and get those on, and well, eventually I'll get all the cables connected, and then perhaps next week will be the final week where I can get hopefully it will start. But just, I've still got one more. I've got one panel on temporary over the back here, chain guard. I've still got one to finish off with the slight cracking on it, reaction I had with the paint. So that I will just finish that one off, but at least it'll be finished. So handlebars today, and then the next episode we will just get it finished, and that's it. The Mobylette is just I'm getting it registered, so I'm going through the stage of doing that before I strip it down. Once it's once I've got some sort of paperwork back, or it's all gone through, then I will strip that down, and we can put a number plate on, and that'll be finished hopefully and registered. So I'll get on and do this horrible looking handlebar, see how we get on with it, and then tomorrow we'll do the powder coating. As you saw earlier, they were too far gone, but they were very pitted. Now I've gone over with the wheel brush, and also I've gone over with the file, which has taken some of the indentations out. So I'm going to do this in chrome. The chrome powder coat is okay, but it's obviously not like real chrome. But what I'd like to do usually afterwards is put some lacquer over it, which does seem to hold that shine in. You can buy a sort of a powder coat lacquer, but it still loses its kind of shine. So I'm going to go over this with chrome powder coat, and then once that's dry we'll go over with some lacquer, and that just protects it as well. So I'm just going to put some green tape around here, because this is alright. I don't want to make that any larger than it is, so we'll tape it off there, and get this done, get that in the oven, and see how that comes out. Right, I've put this green heat resistant tape on, and I'll put a little bolt on there for now. That's just to keep it off the floor of the oven, so it just keeps that jacked up a bit. So I'm going to do the high chrome in a minute, and I also got a finger up the hole there, so that's creating the magnetic you know, earthing of it. So bear with me a second. I think this compressor needs to go on a minute, and then I'll just give this a quick powder coat. There we go. Well, it's in the oven now. As you say, it's as I can see, it's propped up at each end here, and that's what that little bolt was for, just to keep it off the oven bottom there. So high chrome takes about 15 minutes. So we'll put that on for 15 minutes, and then get this onto full here, and then come back in about 15 minutes. Well, there we go. There's the handlebars finally out of the oven. I say they have a lovely shine on. But what I will do, as I said, I will put some lacquer over that, because that will fade over time. So I'm going to put some lacquer on that one in a minute. I was going to powder coat the brake levers and what have you, but I've given it a quick go with the polisher over there, and they've not come out too bad, quite shiny. So I was going to powder coat the handles, but I'm thinking no, perhaps I won't. I'll just polish them up. So what I've got to do now, I'll put some lacquer on the handlebars. We'll leave that overnight. I'll see if I can do a little bit more polishing up on the other side, the other brake levers and that, and then we'll come back tomorrow, we'll get them fitted, and then we're almost ready for me the following week to get everything plumbed in and cables done, and hopefully go for a start, hopefully. Right, next day now. I think I mentioned yesterday I was quite stressed, and I still am a little bit today, but I've actually switched the phone off, because every time someone rings, anybody, it's a problem. So I don't want to know anymore today. I just want time for myself. So the handlebars, I've still got some tape on here. I've taken the tape off here, so we can get all the other bits back on. But let's just hope that this little bolt down there, the self-tightening bolt, let's just hope that hasn't fallen out of place, so we can get these back on for now, hopefully. Now what, here we go. Oh, I think these have to be, I'm not going to bang them on. Let's see. Okay, let me just get this down. This is going to be awkward, isn't it? But bear with me a minute. That's on, and I'm hoping this is going to grip onto that self-tightening thing underneath, which I think it is. I lost it before. I had to get it out with when it was just the frame, and hopefully this has caught it. Yeah. There we are. No, it's still moving. Right, I just get this tightened up. So yesterday, I think I showed you this. I managed to polish up rather than paint. It's not bad at all. So we'll try and get this one on first. And we've got like a little screw just in a minute. I don't know if I've pulled that in enough. We take that out of it, I think. It's like a lock-in screw, so hopefully that will go on. It was very tight. It was very tight getting it out, actually. That screw's definitely not holding it now, I don't think. Yeah, right, bear with me. Let me just slowly push this one up. That was a bit of a struggle to get on, but that's fixed now, and also had a bit of trouble with the throttle handle here. I just had trouble getting that locked in, but that's actually done now. Bit disappointed. I tried to guess where the edge of where these would fit onto the powder coat, but just a little bit of a gap there, but it's not the end of the world. So got the that's been glued on now, that side. This one fixes itself okay. A little bit of a clean up on the handlebar holders, or what you call them, trims. And so the next stage is to go through, so I won't show you all this, it's very boring, but try and get some of these cables all put in. Got to still do the electrics for the back light, and I'll come back to you once I've got a bit more progress. I didn't mention last week the brakes are on now, the new brakes, and the chains on the other side. The only thing I do have to do over the other side, I'll just put it out the way for the moment, the chain guard. I've still got to finish painting the other side off, but because I told you it's cracked slightly. I'm going to get on, get some of these cables in, and hopefully it will look a lot better. Well, after several hours, all the wiring and cabling is done. There's a few problems here and there, but I even got the horn on now. Yeah, so this is all done. The brakes are done. Just need to adjust the throttle cable. That's a little bit loose at the moment, but everything else, I've got the wire done for the back light. That's all done. The only thing I haven't done was I can't find the clips for them, which I bought, is some clips for the fuel pipe in there. I've got I did have somewhere. Oh, isn't it good? I have got a fuel filter for it, a small one, which hopefully will just go in about there somewhere, just underneath there. And what I need to do now is some of these mud guards need to be readjusted slightly over to one side and that, but I can do that. And the other thing I did, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but if I turn it, no, I won't bother. But I did kick it over a little bit, and there's quite a good spark there as well. So I'm just going to finish off. I'm hoping to get that other panel done. I don't know if I can or not, and there's grease and everything everywhere. Well, I've managed to get it everywhere, so I'll give it a clean up, adjust the mud guards and things, and hopefully next time we'll be ready for a start on it. Well, there we go. Jenny's been with me all day trying to get this done. So just a few little bits to do now. I'll get the fuel pipe on, and next time we come back it'll be hopefully a start up. That would be lovely. And I've still got that one panel to do, the chain guard, and I don't know if I'll get a chance to do that this weekend, but I'll certainly try. If not, we'll come back next time and we'll try and give it a start, and then we'll call that a day on that moped. So until next time, I hope you did enjoy it. It's just really the handlebars, and that was getting on my nerves, hanging up for ages. So cables are pretty much done, just a couple of adjustments here and there, and we'll be back next time. See you soon. Bye bye.